Guys, it's Adrian here. I just noticed a post in my Enlightened Stock Trader group, the public group, and it was a post about binary options, and I just want to make sure that everyone is clear. Binary options are always a scam. There's absolutely no way you can come out ahead trading an instrument like that. So whenever you see a post like that, please report it, please mark it as spam. It doesn't matter where you are on the internet, if you're in my group or if you're in a different Facebook group or anything else. Just ignore everything about binary options, mark it as spam so that Facebook blocks it. Those people deserve to be banned permanently from social media. It's disgusting. It's a terrible rip-off. They steal thousands of people's money who don't know any better. And so if you guys get the message, please be part of the solution. Any post about binary options, mark it as spam so that Facebook finally gets the message. People who are posting about this should be automatically banned by the Facebook platform. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm definitely going to write to Facebook about that. Please don't fall for the claims. I know they make amazing, wonderful claims about with $450 you can replace your full-time income. It's complete bullshit. So please don't fall for it. Help me out by marking all of those posts as spam. If there's any in my groups that I haven't picked up on already, like Mark did today, Mark, if you're out there, thanks for that. Drawing that to my attention. I've blocked and banned that user and reported him to Facebook. So please do the same and help stop people losing money from these ridiculous spammers. Thanks so much. Bye for now.